POV drive for you guys in the rain. Haven't done one of these in a while, and on top of that, it's literally been raining for like, I don't even know, the whole entire day yesterday. It looks like it's gonna be raining the whole entire day today, but that's not really gonna stop us from doing what we gotta do, man. Let the car warm up a little bit so we can get this POV started for y'all. Boy, got 40 miles left of gas. I need to go get gas at some point. I'm gonna see it when I'm driving though. I'm gonna just let the car warm up a little bit. So some of you guys ask me, oh, how long do I wait for my car to warm up and stuff like that? Honestly, guys, I wait like a minute. Like, I'll turn the car on for like a minute, and then I'll just like drive it, like not crazy, obviously. I wait for my gauge to kind of go up. Sometimes I don't even wait at all, but I take it very, very slow. You don't want to push the car right off the bat, you know what I'm saying? Let it warm up and then you should be straight. I was gonna stop and get gas right now, but hey, you know me, man. Your boy loves living on the edge. Do you guys like these rain POV drives? Comment it down below, let me know. Obviously it doesn't rain that much, but I don't know if it's because of the storm that was happening in the Caribbean or what, but it's been raining a lot lately over here. Guys, I don't have gas, but I am gonna put it in sport for you guys, because I know you guys like hearing it. I don't know if, you know, with the rain and stuff like that, we'll be able to hear it as much, but either way, I will be putting it in sport here once I feel like the car is warm enough. But don't worry, yeah, I got y'all. Listen, yeah, you don't have to have a 440,000 to join the fam, bro. I love you all equally, man. Sound like a freaking parent. They be lying though. Yo, I know a lot of you guys hit me up on Instagram telling me that, yo, like, I inspired y'all to get a 440, and that's awesome, bro. I'm not gonna lie, that's what we're here for, bro. Like, I'm here to show you guys what it's like owning this car. Hopefully you guys can kind of get that feeling from this like point of view, so you know what you getting into if you're looking into getting one of these 440,000, bro. They're so much fun. You can do so much to them. You can have a blast. Like, you know, you got it all with this car, bro. You got the looks, the speed. It's not super expensive to maintain or own, and you can like do stuff like this on freaking wet roads and have no problems. Obviously, make sure you got good tires, you know what I'm saying? Don't come over here with like freaking tires that have like no tread left to them and expect to, like, you know, have grip like that. Make sure your tires is valid and you should be pretty good, you know what I'm saying? You can drive like this and you be straight, bro. I do have summer tires on, I'm not gonna lie. They still have a lot of life to them, so I don't have no problems there. Okay, we're gonna get on the highway here. Go ahead and pop it into sport. I'm not gonna go into sport plus, because it does take off your traction, but yeah, I'll just put it into sport regular. That way we still have the all-wheel drive, you know, traction stuff on, but we'll still have some fun though. Yes, sir. Gonna be trying to cut up here a little bit safely, of course. I know you guys can't really hear the burbles that as much because of the rain, but man, what is this guy doing, bro? Come on, give me room, bro. Damn, they're throwing mad water at me, gangy. Yo, car handles amazing, bro, even in the rain. My windshield thing is going crazy. That's a really cool thing about like BMWs. I don't know if, I mean, I'm pretty sure they all do that, you know, your wipers, they kind of go depending on how hard that rain is and stuff like that. So you guys can see, like, I didn't slow it down, it slowed down by itself. So like if you're going slower, it'll go slower. If you're going faster and there's like a lot of rain, it'll, like, you know, automatically go faster. Obviously if you have it on auto, but yeah, I usually rock it in auto. Let's go ahead and have some fun, bro. Look, cutting up for y'all. Yeah, this car is great. Yeah, this thing moves, bro, even in the rain, bro. I don't think I've ever like really lost traction on this car, bro. I don't know if you guys can hear those pops. I would put my window down, but it's, as you guys can see, it's raining crazy. Yes, sir. this handles great too in the corners. If you guys haven't checked out the video of Eamon and I, because Eamon picked me up in his G80 and kind of gave me like a ride, bro, let me tell you something. Like, it's different when you drive the car yourself versus like somebody else driving. So like if I was driving it like he was, I probably wouldn't be as like scared. The way we was moving, bro, that thing is scary being in the passenger seat. Because I'm so used to just driving the car myself and doing stuff myself, like, you know, like if it was me doing this, I'd be good. But because it's him, it's like different, you know, or anybody else, it's not just him. And he's a good driver, so I'm sure you guys check that video out too. Get my POV as well. I got a POV on mine, and then we got another video on his. Damn, already asking me for gas. 31 miles left. Let's see in the corners here, see if we even, yeah, no, like this car is just great, bro. This guy just did not stop on the stop sign, huh? All right, well, I will. I hear, I know you guys can't really hear the intake that much, but I hear it breathing, bro. I hear that.
What did he say?
Woo. What a freaking car, bro. Red light. Imagine the gym is closed today, because apparently it's some sort of holiday, because I know kids didn't go to school today. So thing handles amazing, bro. Great car, bro. I'm trying to give you some content, bro. Oh, yeah, we're gonna go all the way around, come back that way. Ooh. Wow, when I'm in second, that thing really picks up, bro. Yeesh. All right, let's go around here. Oh my God, it sounds so good. Oh, this corner is crazy. Sounds so good, bro. I'm gonna go back around that way because I don't want to go over all these freaking speed bumps here. So I'm gonna go around and kind of just do my thing, you know what I'm saying? What time is it? Oh God, 11:30 almost. What a freaking beast, bro. Just do one good pull right here. Yeah, this thing is, it's freaking joy, bro. Right this way. Oh my God. Yes, sir. We here, baby. Let's go ahead, make this little U-ey and go in the parking lot, man. See if we can make a little bit of noise right now. Hold on, I gotta make sure I see this thing, bro. Be a sad day if I hit freaking my rims on that thing. All right, now let me put my windows down a little bit so y'all can hear it in the parking lot. Got the big body 7 Series, the new big body 7 Series. Not gonna lie, people be having some nice ass cars in this parking lot. Let me see if I find one. I seen an MA competition the other day, and that thing was fire. Had it wrapped and all that. They be having some nice cars in here, bro. I doubt there's anybody at the gym today with this rain. People don't be outside. I'm trying to find a cool car, but nobody here right now. See those pops, man? Pop, baby, pop. There you go. Oh, nobody in here today. I mean, there's a lot of cars, but no cool cars really. Dang, how high am I going up? I'm over here just going at this point. Oh, there we go. We'll park on this. Woo! Nice. Is this a 440,000 right here? What's this? Is it? Oh shoot! Look at that. A 440,000. Nice. I'm gonna park right next to him. He can see my shit, and so he can subscribe to the channel. You're gonna see the 440,000. He better join the 440,000 squad. And he got the coupe. Let me actually get out so I can show you real quick. So look, this is what you get. Look at mine's. Mine's the 4-door, 440,000, compared to this one, which is the 2-door, 440,000. It looks like it's super stock. He got the black seats like mine's. He hasn't. It looks like he hasn't done anything to it. So, damn, that's crazy. That's how mine looked when I bought it. Yeah, that thing looks so different compared to mine's. It's crazy, but it's nice. Coupe is really nice too. Like, I don't know, but I do like my 4-door, as you guys can see. Love it. And but that's nice too. Super stock though. Wow, that's crazy. But anyway, guys, that is gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you guys go down below, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you guys, and then yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.